Ahead of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s fifth State of the Nation address on Monday, the Philippine National Police, or PNP, is already in the final stages of laying out its security plan. And effective today, the NCRPO has been placed under full alert status. Ryan Lisigas has the full report.
Thousands of personnel from the Philippine National Police, or PNP, have already been positioned as part of the security deployment for the fifth State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. on Monday. According to Acting PNP PIO Chief Police Colonel Allen Reyco, full security deployment has been implemented for the more than 20,000 police officers who will secure the zona. This includes key areas along Commonwealth Avenue and the Batasan Pambansa Complex.
Almost 100% na po tayo nasa final phase. All systems go. Of course, we will be doing some adjustment depending on kung meron pong bagong sitwasyon, but nasa final phases na po tayo and nakalatag na po ang ating buong security plan.
The National Capital Region Police Office, or NCRPO, has been placed under full alert status. The alert status took effect at 5 p.m. today.
Yung ating pong lahat ng preparatory stage, yung pong ating pag-inspect, coordination meeting with other agencies ay tapos na po, nagawa na sa katuparan na natin, as well as yung mga walkthrough, yung mga pag-rehearsal po sa lahat ng ay nagawa na po natin. So, polishing na lang ang kailangan natin gawin.
3 groups have been given the green light to hold rallies simultaneously with the President's zona. These are the groups Bayan, San Lakas, and Better Brighter. The Philippine National Police also called on the organizers of the protest actions to keep their ranks in order by preventing agitators from disrupting the peaceful demonstrations.
We respect and we acknowledge the constitutional right of everyone to peaceful assembly, di ba? To exercise their constitutional right. Peaceful assembly. Meron pong qualifier, di ba? Peaceful assembly. So as long as you maintain yung peaceful, yung mapayapa na pag-iipon at yung ating let's stay within the area na binigyan po tayo ng permit, ay wala po tayong nakikitang magiging problema. Yun lang nga po, siyempre, pagka meron pong nagkaroon ng nagkagulo at na-endanger na yung safety po, especially of the general public, ay kailangan na po natin gumawa ng aksyon.
Protesters will be allowed to hold their demonstrations from St. Peter's Church up to the area in front of the Sandigan Bayan from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. The PNP assured the public that it will strictly observe maximum tolerance at all times, but warned those planning to cause trouble or violate the law will face appropriate action. Ryan Lisigas, for the Nation.